Model, 2007 Ford Transit 2.4 TDCI 115 PS 330 MINBUS Camper Crew Cab Noisy Timing Chain. Body, red, minibus. Mileage, 200,972. MOT, the 18th of August 2024. Engine, 2401 cc TDCI 115 PS DURATORQ-G. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a rattle. Timing chain is stretched. The engine itself is good. Just needs timing chain, tensioner replacement. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear seating area is very clean. Features, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.